Hello guys, welcome to my new video. This is uh, I want to show you about Bulldozer. Bulldozer is a powerful, heavy duty machine with large metal plates known as a lead used to pass large quantity of soil, sand, rubble, or other material during construction or demolition, but it typically it typically has track instead of well, uh, allowing it to move over rough terrain. Bulldozers are commonly used in construction, mining road building and other large-scale projects. Yes, this is the best bulldozer type for every project. Bulldozer differ in size, capability, feature, attachment, and application. Choose the right bulldozer for each job. It's crucial for project result and efficiency before purchasing or renting a bulldozer. It's important to consider the task you perform and the type of land you work on. Top 6 type of bulldozer. To determine the best option for your fleet, weigh the pros and cons of how each type of bulldozer works. Consider the following different types of bulldozer and how they differ to so you can get the job done. 1. Groveler. A groveler is a heavy-duty bulldozer that operates on track. It is also known as a track bulldozer and contains a heavy plate, allowing it to route and pass heavy material and objects. Crawler are the most common type of dozer, and they are exceptionally versatile. Traction enable them to traverse irregular and dense terrain and larger ground feature reaper that can help break and clear sick ground. A crawler is the best type of bulldozer for the following application: leveling road, clearing land to prepare for new construction, mining project requiring crew to move large amount of material, moving heavy object and material, scrapping fire breaks to prevent wildfire from reaching home and business. 2. Mini dozer. A mini or compact bulldozer is smaller than other model, making it perfect for residential project. It operates on track and other excellent power but it's small enough to fit in Thai spec. You can transport it using a standard trailer and maneuver it with its small size also allow you to operate it at faster speed than other bulldozers. Mini dozers are ideal for the following tasks: grading, clearing land, passing snow, stopping, backfilling, working in any type of residential or confined commercial area. 3. Bulldozer. A bulldozer is the large and heaviest type of bulldozer, and some people refer to it as a tire bulldozer. It a larger and more powerful machine that can help gross complete large project efficiently. It operates on well instead of track, so it can work on firm and soft surface with less impact. Well, those are perfect for working on soft surface such as tough and sand. Bulldozer is either portal. Wow, very nice. The axis and turning radius are smaller on a bulldozer than on a crawler dozer, allowing crawl to handle it easily. It also features articulate hydraulic, hydraulic steering for greater maneuverability. A welder is the best option for high performance construction jobs like highway construction, mining, leveling, building large structure such as sport stadium and water park. 4. Mulcher dozer. The step of bulldozer and by for clearing land with a lot of vegetation. The mulching attachment can shred grain and clear large patches of land with each mulcher dozer can clear bush, shrubbery and even tree for land development project. The mulcher attachment also act a wood chipper to grind vegetation into smaller pits for easy clearing and disposal. A mulcher dozer is best source for the following project: land clearing for agriculture, forestry and logging operation, infrastructure maintenance, wildfire prevention, utility line installation, natural disaster cleanup, trail and recreational area development, landscaping project. Yes. 5. Hybrid dozer. Hybrid dozer. Hybrid bulldozer combine traditional diesel diesel engine with electric component, enhancing efficiency and reducing environmental impact. The machine perform moving tasks such as grading and excavation. In the dual power system, the electric component provide an extra boost. The regenerative braking converts kinetic energy into electrical power. The ability to switch between power sources is a feature unique to this type of bulldozer. We can optimize performance based on workload. This dozer particularly excel in urban construction projects where emission control is crucial. Its versatility also makes it well sought for various terrain. A hybrid dozer is an ideal option for projects like urban infrastructure development, residential construction, commercial building, site, municipal project and maintenance, mining operation, smart city initiative, shipholders. Shipholders are designed for maritime environment and play a critical role in handling cargo within a cargo ship. The bulldozers are specialized in moving efficiently in a confined ship. They are made to organize goods and optimize cargo loading and unloading operation. One of the key features is their corrosion resistance, which allow them to withstand marine environment. This is a different type of bulldozer because it is made to be compact and operate in specific conditions. They are compact to fit into cargo hold within ship. Ship holders are adaptable to the various challenges posed by ship intruders and ensure material handling can be optimized at all times. Ship holders are made to handle the specific tasks or arranging cargo on ship, maintain efficient cargo flow in maritime logistics, loading and unloading cargo. Main maneuvering on moving ship. Bulldozer blade tape. Wow. Brain catch. Yes. A bulldozer blade in determine the type of material and weight capacity the machine can handle. Wow. Very strong bulldozer. It dissect. Yeah. When choosing a bulldozer for an upcoming upcoming job, it's important to consider blade tape. The blade is responsible for digging through and passing material, and the right tape can increase efficiency. A bulldozer blades determine the type of material and weight capacity the machine can handle. Consider the following kind of bulldozer blades. Universal blade. Universal blade. Universal blade or U blades are curved and contain side wing to keep material contained by the bulldozer moving. A universal blade is the tallest and wide type of blade, and it's the best option if you need to pass material across a long distance. It also good for working in medium or soft density soil. Strength blade or S blade, the shortest type of bulldozer blade, while the left side wing. The shape enables them to handle hard density, medium density, and fine grain material, while the straight blade has limit carrying and lifting capability. It an excellent choice for leveling soil, backfilling, grading, and stamping application. Semi-U blade. A semi-U or SU blade combine a U blade and S blade for greater versatility and strength. Its shape is similar to the U blades, but with a smaller side wing, less curve, and a narrower shape. The SU blades is a great option for passing material across long distance, and it offers more penetration strength than the U blade. It works well on medium or soft density soil and sand. The SU blade works best for applications like ditching, moving heavy material, croning, stamping. Angle blade. An angle blade is also known as a two-way blade, and it has angling ability because of its attachment to the center of a bulldozer panel. It can angle to the right or left in order to move material to the side as it moves. Since there are no side wings, it's easy for material to spy out using an angle blade. Even so, it's a great option for working with gravel, snow, and soil of all density level. The angle blades work well for tasks such as ditching, shaping, tripping, stamping. Power angle uh, tail blades. A power angle tail blade or tail or pad or PAT. Blade is highly versatile. As the name suggests, it offers lifting, ankling, and tiling ability for better maneuverability. Since a pad blade can move in all directions, it's ideal for grading, leveling, backfilling, land clearing. Have over the track. Yes. Over the track are another important construction consideration when choosing a machine. Before Rinket. Yes. A desert track are another important consideration when choosing a machine. A bulldozer can have one of the following two types of track: high street high street track elevate above the ground and have higher traction. High street track are ideal for working on rougher terrain or slope surface. Low street track move at ground level and are best for level surface. Type of Bulldozer track grid. Bulldozer track street vary in design for different applications. Common type of the Bulldozer track street include grocers, grocer or cleats are protruding metal fitting on Bulldozer track that enhance traction. They also prevent slippage when working on difficult terrain. Flatbed thread. Flatbed thread strength material metal bar placed across the track. They provide a smooth surface, optimizing ground contact and facilitating stable movement. This is an ideal track treat to use in less demanding terrain. Combination treat. The street use a hybrid design featuring cleats and flat bar. This combination provide a versatile solution for balancing traction and a smoother ride across various surface. Pyramid street. This street pattern resembles a series of pyramids and provide builders with in-hand grip. Pyramid street work on a variety of different surfaces and enhance overall stability and performance. Yes, good Bulldozer. Pro volleyball dozer and request a quote today. Pros volleyball dozer and request a quote today. Selecting the right bulldozer and blade for specific reject increase efficiency and have ensure optimal result. Thompson tractor offer a wide selection of Bulldozer for various applications, allowing you to choose the ideal machine for every job. We distribute CAD Dozer to provide the highest quality machine for the task has job. Whether you need to purchase a bulldozer for your fleet or run a machine, Thomson Tractor can help. Contact us to request code and learn more about finding the right dozer for your next project. Yeah, it's very amazing. Oh, bulldozer and also good. Yes, this is the total of bulldozer. It's very big and high technology. It a heavy bulldozer can use for construction for every project. It have high test power. Yes, yeah, bulldozer. I will tell you more detail include about bulldozer. Yes, including bulldozer and central waste industry, uh, especially in construction, mining, and agriculture, due to their versatility and power. Here are some of reasons why the bulldozer are important. Yes, it can use it can use for land clearing and grading, e- excavation, yes, road construction, demolition, soil and snow removal, mining, versatility, durability and strength, efficiency. Yeah, it's very important for construction. Yes, let's go to know about many application. Yes, example, ditching. Let's go any. Yes, this is the many place. Yeah, many place in South in Alabama and northern Florida. Yeah, it's for U.S. And in the other country you can order too. It have a lot of bulldozer. I think now it's easy to buy. You will instruct bulldozer from Caterpillar from perform multiple earth moving job, construction, agriculture, demo work. Yes, this is the many bulldozer, the many type model C3, yeah, so 9 bulldozer. You can order it very easy. Yes, D for dozer. Let know altogether. Yes. It for use in building road construction. DXXO dozer. Yeah. Cat C9. This one dozer. It big. D D9 dozer. Yes. It very have much of step bulldozer. 824 bulldozer. 834 bulldozer. Yes. And have a lot of more many bulldozer. Yes. You can order it. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can tell me in comment. Okay, thank you very much.